Good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning Philippines. Good morning whole country. This morning, ay Tagalogod na para we ate dried mixed fruit and piga. Ito yung 10 kinds of fruits and veggies. Yeah, like ano ba to? Yung sambag. Ito yung hindi ko to na ano. Hindi ko to kilala lahat. Basta kumain ako dito. 10 kinds of fruits and veggies. Yummy.